Hi there. Welcome to your first Korean class. I'm really glad you're here. Before we start, have you studied any Korean before?
Not really. I've watched some K-dramas though. Does that count?
It absolutely counts. You've probably heard a few phrases already then. Today, we're going to learn some basic greetings and polite words, things you'd use right away if you visited Korea or talked to a native speaker.
Awesome. I'd love that. I really want to visit Seoul someday.
You will! And knowing just a few words will go a long way. Let's start with a simple one. Hello. In Korean, we say 안녕하세요. Go ahead, try saying it.
안녕하세요.
Pretty good. It's 안녕하세요. One more time together. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Nice! That's the polite way to say hello. If you're meeting someone for the first time, that's your go-to.
Got it. It sounds kind of warm and formal at the same time.
Exactly. Korean has a lot of respect built into the language. Now, let's try thank you. Ready? It's 감사합니다.
Oh, I've heard that before. 감사합니다.
Yes, try it a little smoother. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Perfect. Now, let's do a quick role play. I say hello, and you respond. 안녕하세요.
감사합니다. Wait. Oops. I meant 안녕하세요.
Almost. You just thanked me for saying hello.
Yeah, that felt weird.
That's better. See? Mistakes help you remember. Now, two quick, useful words. Yes is 네. No is 아니요.
네, 아니요.
Great! Let's practice. Do you like kimchi? In Korean, kimchi 좋아해요?
네, I actually love it.
Good answer. Now, do you speak Korean? 한국어 할 수 있어요?
아니요, not yet.
Good response. Not yet is 아직 아니에요, but you're getting there.
아직 아니에요. That's kind of fun to say.
Okay, let's quickly review what you learned today. Hello is 안녕하세요. Thank you is 감사합니다. Yes is 네. No is 아니요.
감사합니다. This was actually fun.
I'm glad. We'll keep building from here. Next time, we'll talk about introducing yourself. See you soon. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.